Don't throw away that celery base. This forgotten kitchen scrap grows an entire new plant in your backyard. Dust the cut surface with cinnamon powder first. This stops rot and wakes up the roots faster than anything else. Press the base 2 inches into rich backyard soil. The growing heart must stay just above the surface. Day 5. Underneath that backyard soil, tiny white roots are already threading outward in every direction. Day 14. Look at this. Brand new celery stalks are rising straight from the center of that old base. Day 30. This backyard corner is unrecognizable. Full celery growth from a base that was heading for the bin. Month 3. These stalks are thick, crisp, and completely ready. Pull from the outside and the plant keeps growing. One kitchen scrap base became all of this, and cinnamon water keeps it producing all season long.